Friends, 99% of the harm is caused by you and your thoughts. Only 1% of the harm is caused by reality. സ്വയം പരാജയപ്പെടുത്തുന്ന നിങ്ങളുടെ ചിന്തകളാണ് 99% നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ദോഷകരമാകുന്നത്. വെറും 1% മാത്രമേ യഥാർത്ഥമായ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുകൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നേരിടേണ്ടി വരുന്നത്. In this video, I am sharing about self-defeating beliefs, how it is formed, its features, and how to overcome these negative beliefs for a better living. സ്വയം പരാജയപ്പെടുത്തുന്ന ചിന്തകൾ നമ്മുടെ വ്യക്തിപരമായ കഴിവുകളെ ഇല്ലാതാക്കുന്നു. ഇത്തരം നെഗറ്റീവായ ചിന്തകളെ എങ്ങനെ അതിജീവിക്കാം എന്ന ഒരു മെസ്സേജാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിലൂടെ ഞാൻ സമർപ്പിക്കുന്നത്. സെൽഫ് ഡിഫീറ്റിംഗ് ബിലീഫ്സ് ആർ നെഗറ്റീവ് വ്യൂസ് we had about ourselves. It's also known as mistaken or faulty beliefs. These views impact our self-esteem, the feelings you convey about your personal abilities. Man is made by his belief. As he believes, so he is. Frustrated people will have self-defeating beliefs. The belief that life is bad and it will continue to go badly. They hold fears such as fear of disapproval or criticism. I need everybody's approval to be worthwhile. Fear of rejection. If I am not loved, then life is not worth living. Fear of being alone. If I am alone, then I am bound to feel miserable and unfulfilled. Fear of failure. My worthiness depends on my achievements and attractiveness. Most bad feelings come from illogical thinking. Your thoughts can upset you, and that special kinds of thoughts create special kinds of feelings. As said by Tony Robbins, the only thing that keeping you from getting what you want is the story you keep telling yourself. What you tell yourself is what you believe. Open your mind and make the decision to become a person with positive affirmations. Test your reality. Remember, thoughts and feelings are not always real. Now imagine who you would be without fear and doubt. Identify your fears. As philosopher Seneca said, we suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Avoid your mood disorders. Cultivate performing positive behavior and nourish positive connections. Stop people-pleasing and approval-seeking behaviors. These feelings leaves you as though you are living your life for others. Let go labels. Notice when you are defining yourself by external labels and let them go. Friends, respect yourself enough to walk away from anything that no longer serves you, grows you, or makes you happy.